LCI Plumbing, an Ocala, Florida certified emergency plumber service announced an upgrade to its 24/7 plumbing repair service during the COVID-19 crisis. The affordable emergency plumber in Ocala, Florida has upgraded its 24/7 emergency services to maintain low turnaround times for critical plumbing repairs. Professional Ocala plumbers from LCI Plumbing have been trained to prevent the spread of COVID-19 while delivering repair services. LCI Plumbing will continue to offer its residential and commercial plumbing services including 24/7 no-dig sewer pipe repairs. The Marion County, Florida emergency plumbing specialists handle a wide range of services including backed up toilets, leaking pipes, and clogged sinks. As we face the COVID-19 crisis together, LCI Plumbing remains committed to ensuring that you and our teams remain safe and healthy. Contact us at https://www.lsaplumbing.com/